Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, December the 14th, 2021. Yes, 17 days to go. Yes, let's start the countdown. 17 days. Well, we have here one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. But in this newspaper, there's also an additional, yes, a lot of extra puzzles. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, 2 binaries, and the last one, a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. So half of them I will solve, 5 of them, and 1 regular Sudoku. The first, but first we will solve this baby number. This will be number 3824. Let me write it here. 3824. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 20. 26. Correct me if I'm wrong. And for a 2 stars, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars with 26 printed digits, it will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have a 7 in the first row. 7 in the third row. So in a row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7, there's 7, should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have a 2 and 8 in this big square. So no 2 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So what are the other 3 numbers? Missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9. That means, let me put it here. 5, 6, 9. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. Okay. We have a 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. Okay. How about the number, let me see. Yeah. 7. 2, 9. Yeah. 7. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There, an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So no row above. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 8. I need to wait. How about 9, yeah, 9. Okay, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. That means we have a 9 in this row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. We have now 2 numbers left. I've marked these 2 boxes with the 5, 6, and a 9. Well, we have a 9 here, so 5 and a 6 are left. 5 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, 6, 6, 5, 5, 5, and a 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 4. We have a 5 and a 4 in this second row. So no 5 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 5 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers, the 9 and the 1, 2, the 3 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So we have a 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row below, above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used, I can see. This is number 2, number 3. Okay. Then. How about 1 number left in the second row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Then. How about, let me see, 6, 5, 7, we need one missing number in this column. We have the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. Well, here cannot be a 7, we see here 7. There cannot be a 7, this box cannot be 7 because we have another 7 here. So no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. So these 2 boxes should be 6 and the 5. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So no row above. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And no, the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. Alright. Okay. Then. How about 6, 5, 4. Yeah, 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 4. All right. Okay. 2. Oh, wait. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 2 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2 and an 8. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be an 8. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 2. Alright. Then. How about 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 6, number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And now we have here 6 and 5, 6 and 5. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and 6 is missing. 5 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, and 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and 6 is missing. 5 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 and more. That box should be a 6 and this box should be a 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and 6 is missing. 5 and a 6. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers again in this big square, the 5 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Well, I'm well pleased with the time, because my time limit, I've told you 15 to 20 minutes, and I've solved this in 40 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other puzzles in the additional. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. And yeah, see you later. Bye bye for now.